If you're a Georgia State employee, you've got a fantastic benefit in your group term life insurance. But I see so many clients who just assume it's all the protection their family will ever need. The big question is it really?
So let's dive right in and ask that critical question, the one that, honestly, a lot of families just don't think about until it's way too late. Is that coverage you get from your job truly enough to secure your family's future?
Okay, first things first. Let's make sure we're all on the same page and quickly break down what this benefit actually is.
So your group term life insurance, or GTLI for short, think of it as a really great perk of the job. It's a fantastic starting point, offering a basic financial safety net for your loved ones. And that word term, all it really means is that it's designed to cover you for a specific term, in this case, for as long as you're employed with the state.
But here's the thing. A starting point isn't the finish line. And this is where we get into what I like to call the hidden coverage gap. It's a super important concept to understand in your financial plan.
So how much coverage are we talking about? Well, typically, this kind of policy will cover about 1 to 2 times your annual salary.
And right there, that's where the alarm bells might start to go off. I mean, just stop and think about it for a second. The mortgage, any car loans or other debts you have, and of course the big one, future college tuition for the kids. You can see how 1 or 2 times your salary could get eaten up really, really fast.
You know, in our experience, for a family to be truly secure and maintain their lifestyle, they usually need something closer to 5 to 10 times their annual income. So right away, you can see this potentially huge gap between what your job provides and what your family would actually need.
All right, so let's dig a little deeper. Let's talk about the specific risks you face when you rely only on your work insurance, because these are the things that can really catch you by surprise.
The first and honestly the most significant risk is one a lot of people just don't consider. It's tied directly to your employment status.
That's right, if you retire, change jobs, or get let go, this insurance does not go with you. It just ends. And that could leave you totally uninsured at a time in your life when getting new coverage is suddenly a lot more difficult and way more expensive. And the limitations don't even stop there. With GTLI, you have zero control. The state can change the terms or reduce the benefits. Your premiums aren't locked in either, and they can go up significantly as you get older. And a big one, it builds absolutely no cash value, so you're missing out on a powerful financial tool for things like loans or just building wealth.
So what's the solution here? Well, it's pretty simple actually. It's all about taking back control. It's about supplementing that work benefit with a personal policy that you own, one that's designed specifically for your family's unique needs.
This chart just lays it out so clearly. With GTLI, everything is tied to your job. But look at the personal policy side. Suddenly, you're in the driver's seat. Portability, it stays with you always, no matter where you work. Coverage, you choose the right amount. Premiums, you can lock them in for life. And ownership, it's all yours. It's really the difference between just renting your coverage and truly owning your family's protection.
You know, this isn't just about buying a product. It's about creating a real, long-term strategy for your family's well-being and your own peace of mind. So, who really needs to be thinking about this?
A personal policy becomes absolutely critical if any of these points resonate with you. If you have a family that depends on your paycheck, if you have a mortgage to pay off, or you have big plans for retirement, relying only on your work insurance introduces a risk you simply don't have to take.
So, the key takeaway here is this. See your state life insurance as a great employee perk, because it is, but see it as just one piece of the puzzle, not the whole picture. It's a starting point, not a complete plan.
Schedule your free consultation with Georgia Safe Retirement Planners today. At Georgia Safe Retirement Planners, building a lasting relationship with you is our top priority. We are committed to supporting you through all circumstances. You can visit us online at georgiasaferetirementplanners.com. Give us a call to schedule a free consultation at 470-888-7233 or click the link below. You can also come and see us in downtown Roswell. We are at 1124 Canton Street. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for your future.